Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Reporting, Contributions, and Loans tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to complete the Fundraising Events Held form. Upon logging into the Campaign Finance electronic filing system, you will be taken to the Report menu. Step 2 on the Report menu is where you will enter any contributions and loans received by your committee during the reporting period. If you received anonymous contributions through a fundraiser, you must complete the Fundraising Events Held form. Remember, normally you cannot accept anonymous contributions over $25. A fundraiser is the only time you may accept contributions between $25 and $100 without recording information about the donor. For these contributions to be categorized as anonymous contributions received through a fundraiser, the event must meet 3 criteria. There were at least 25 individuals who contributed during the event. There was an announcement that it is illegal to make or accept anonymous contributions over $100. And the person responsible for the fundraiser did not knowingly accept anonymous contributions over $100. If you did not receive any anonymous contributions through the event, and you itemized all contributions received and expenditures made, you do not need to file the fundraising statement. Simply check the None this period box. If you do have a fundraiser you need to report, click Add Edit. In this section, you must provide a description of the event, including the date, the location, a description of fundraising methods used, the number of participants, a total amount of anonymous contributions received through the fundraiser, an explanation of why contributors' information could not be obtained, and the total amount of contributions received with the contributor's information. Remember, these contributions must also be reported to the Monetary and In-Kind Contributions Received form. Select Continue to proceed. Next, enter the information about expenditures made for the event. For the purposes of the Fundraising Events Held form, you can group like items together and report the total. Keep in mind, you will need to itemize each individual expenditure in Step 3, Expenditures Made. Select Save to add the expenditure information into the grid at the bottom of the screen. Then, click Continue to proceed. Next, enter information about the person responsible for the event. Select Save to drop the information down into the grid, then click Continue. From this screen, review the summary of the fundraiser. If you are finished entering information, click the Report menu button to proceed to the next section. This concludes our Fundraising Events Held form tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we will demonstrate how to complete the Loans Received form.